Hey, good morning. We're inside of Rhymes with Orange. It's not orange in here, believe it or not. And I'm working on my Maker Challenge flat pack CNC project. I just had a really good idea. So here in the camper, and excuse if there's no bed sheets on, they were dirty from Maker Camp. They're in the wash right now. Um, we it's a small camper. Got this little futon the Cooper owns, and that's it. So when it's like dark and getting ready for bed and we're watching TV or YouTube or something like that, we've taken to sitting here in the bed sideways and holding the iPhone up. And we just got an iPad. It'll be great for editing videos and for watching YouTubes in the camper. And I was about to buy like a $30 gooseneck iPad holder that kind of just clip on here and hang like right here so we could watch it. But that seems like a perfect opportunity to spend 100 hours working on this CNC project. So the plan here is to design a flat pack iPad holder that will come join me, watch TV with me. We'll hold the iPad like right there while we're watching TV. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Started out by going into Fusion 360 and using sketches to do the drawings of the parts. I like using the dimensions in Fusion 360 for speccing things like this out. Here's version 1 of the hook. I have a feeling it's going to take a few iterations to get this thing to fit properly. Here's the first fitment. There's a little extra room. I can shorten that top hook. All right, let's check out the iterative process here. Here is my first prototype for the bracket. Turns out that that piece on the top hook was too long, unnecessary, and the thing was just generally too loose. But see, the clearance right there was the key thing. And it took me a while to kind of dial in the clearance. I tried to put a relief in there. Still doesn't fit. This one fit. The relief seemed like it might have been unnecessary, but this one's just a little too almost perfect. After a little more iteration, I finally got a hook fitment that worked out. It was the 9th attempt. Fusion makes some pretty crappy DXF files, so I brought them all into Inkscape and repaired all the paths to make them full shapes. Next, we bring the shapes into Lightburn, and we're going to set them up to use the JTEC attached to the X-Carve to cut them out. I ended up using 1/4-inch plywood. Time for a lasering, sanding, and gluing montage. Enjoy. I wasn't sure if this part would work or not. I was using these simple little brackets that should slide on the base piece to hold the top of the iPad. And it turned out it worked out just fine. Doing the final assembly and the test fit. All right, here we are. Flat pack iPad holder. The top part slides. There's the clip for the cabinet. The 2 hinges are adjustable. Let's go see if it works. All right, so it goes on just like that. So there we go. There's my flat pack CNC iPad holder for the camper.
So yeah, my brand new table saw took a backflip.
Oops. Shoot, I just remembered I needed to grab extension cords today.
And another thing is one of their 6-inch Gen 2 sanders. So I can't wait to show that sander to you guys and tell you all about some of the
We better take a better look. All right, first things first here. We're going to jump in, and I actually ended up doing tons of features like a 10-watt diode laser, as well as a 400 by 400 millimeter cut capacity, which is also a 15.5.
That about wraps it up for my project for the Makers Challenge Central CNC Flat Pack. It's a iPad holder that stays in the camper here, which will let me watch all my favorite YouTubers, when we're out on the road and I need my making fix.